In this tutorial I want to show you how to resize pictures for your website using PIXresizer. PIXresizer is the free program that I asked you to download. It's very effective, it's very simple to use. The first thing that I need to do is to choose the picture that I want to resize. I'm going to change the view again to large icons so I can see clearly the photos that are in the folder that I have chosen to work with. Let's try this picture here. Now you'll see when you look at the 100% available size that the original size of this image is 2272 pixels by 1704. That's a picture that would fill the screen. What I want to do is to resize it so that its width is 500 pixels. So I make sure that the custom size option is checked. I then click in the box, alter the image to 500 width, and you will see that the height has changed automatically. That is because I have clicked maintain aspect ratio. Clicking that is important. Maintaining the aspect ratio means that as you resize one axis of the photo, the other one resizes in direct proportion. If you don't have that option checked, what happens is that you end up with a distorted picture. Third step is to select the file format, and I'm going to choose JPEG. JPEGs are the most effective and common form of photos or images that you will use in your website. At this point I'm not going to go into the different formats and what they're used for. Suffice it to say that JPEG will be the one that you will almost invariably use. Now let's just check. I've loaded the picture, I've set the custom size, I've selected the file format. There is nothing that I need to check here, so I will save the picture, and it's asking me where I want to save it. I'm going to save it in the folder that I have been using, Picture Search. Click Save, and it's done. Now, what if you want to resize several pictures? One option is to do exactly as we've done with each picture. Another is to use the Work with Multiple Files feature in PIXresizer. What this does is to pull all the pictures in one particular file and resize them according to your instructions. So in terms of preparation, if you have several pictures that you want resized to the same size, create a folder with all of the photographs in that folder. Then when you click on Source, you direct the program to that folder. In this case I'm using Carver Pix, a file of photographs that I want for the Carver website. I click OK, and I have set the source file. Now I want to output these to another file, in this case my same Picture Search album. So I check that, click OK, and we're set up. What I've told the program to do is to go to Carver Pix file, pull all the pictures, resize them, and put them in the destination folder, Picture Search. For the new size, what we get to do is to set the larger dimension. I want all of my pictures to be 500 pixels wide. I set the slider to the required width. I make sure that I have got JPEG checked, and then I click Save, and it's done. all those photos will be resized to be 500 pixels wide, and they will be placed in my folder on the desktop where I asked them to be sent to. So there you are, resizing pictures using PIXresizer, whether working with multiple files at once or just one picture. It's simple, it's easy, and it's free. What more could you ask?